If your vehicle is equipped with speed control or cruise control, you're going to like this feature. Remember though, cruise control is designed for use in continuous flowing highway traffic, and when engaged, can take over accelerator operation at speeds over 25 miles per hour or 40 kilometers per hour. The control is conveniently located on the left side of the steering column. Rotate the center ring upward on the speed control lever to turn the system on. The cruise indicator light in the instrument cluster will illuminate. To set a desired speed, accelerate to the speed you want to maintain. Then simply push the lever upward to Set Plus and release. Take your foot off the accelerator and the vehicle will operate at the speed you've selected. To disable the system, push the res button, tap the brake pedal, or use normal brake pressure to slow down. These actions will not erase your set speed memory. To resume your previously selected speed, push the res button and release. The resume feature can be used at any speed above 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour. To increase or decrease your set speed, move the lever up to Set Plus or down to Set Minus and release. If you hold the lever up or down, the set speed will increase or decrease until the lever is released. Then the new speed will be set. And simply tap the lever up or down to increase or decrease the set speed in 1 mile per hour or 1 kilometer per hour increments. Tap 3 times and your speed will change by 3 miles per hour or 3 kilometers per hour. This feature lets you change your set speed without ever taking your hands off the wheel. To turn the system off, rotate the center ring upward a second time. It's best to leave the system turned off when not in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.